Tokyo is the land of vending machines. You see them everywhere and you can get pretty much everything in them. Standard Coke drinks, vitamin water, but of course all sorts of unique and individual things to this country. Green tea drinks, bizarre coffee drinks, nectar, peach drinks. I've seen some incredibly unusual things. You get little bottles of jasmine tea, all sorts of different flavors of coffee jolt type of drinks, wonderful different sizes and shapes of the bottles. They're so much fun, and I want to show you as well some great vending machines at Subways. You can even get some kind of banana drink. I'm not going to get a banana drink. I'm not that fond of bananas actually, but I am going to have a green tea. Oh, it's so good. You rarely find fruit in Tokyo, but now I have found fruit in a vending machine. Want a banana? Here you go. And here's a Subway vending machine. It's very Minority Report. Like if I want to get this orange juice, oh look, it pops up. I can pay with a credit card, with my phone, or with good old-fashioned cash. Grape soda. In my opinion, you just never go wrong with grape soda. That translates in any language to delicious. Oh yeah.